how medicine really works from mouth to, you know. So, you've got a headache or maybe a cold, and you take a pill. Ever wonder what happens to that pill once it's in your body? Well, get ready to follow its journey, from your mouth all the way to, well, the end. First, the pill goes straight into your mouth and down your throat. The esophagus, that tube that connects your mouth to your stomach, does its job, guiding the medicine right where it needs to go. Now, the medicine hits your stomach. Your stomach's job? Break things down. It's like a mixing bowl full of acid and digestive enzymes. The pill starts to dissolve and turn into a liquid form that your body can absorb. Next, the medicine moves into the small intestine, and this is where the real action happens. The walls of your intestine are lined with tiny, finger-like projections called villi. These villi grab the medicine, allowing it to enter your bloodstream and start circulating to where it's needed. Once the medicine hits the bloodstream, it's like an express train. It speeds through your veins, heading to the target. Whether it's your brain, heart, or lungs, it's on a mission to fix what's broken or relieve pain. But before the medicine reaches its final destination, the liver steps in as your body's detox center. It filters out any harmful stuff and processes the medicine, making sure it's safe for your body to use. Now, it's time for the medicine to do its thing. Whether it's relieving pain, fighting infection, or calming inflammation, this is the moment it starts working to make you feel better. But not everything stays in your system. Whatever your body didn't need or can't use heads to the large intestine, where it's eventually exited from the body. Yep, we're talking about your final destination. That's right, the bathroom. From swallowing the pill to feeling better, that's how medicine works its magic in your body. It's a journey through your digestive system, bloodstream, and organs to help you feel like yourself again. So next time you take a medicine, just remember the journey it's about to take. Pretty incredible, right?